Hi, I am Aria from HeroBot. In this video, we're going to show you how to filter contacts in the inbox section in HeroBot. In the inbox section, you can filter your contacts in various ways. Right here, we have 3 folders. The human folder holds conversations that are handled by humans. These are contacts on live chat. The second one is the bot folder. This holds conversations that are handled by the bot. The all folder holds both the live chat conversation and the bot conversation. You can also search for a contact by its name. Basically, you need to type in the name of the contact so it will appear. Another way is to filter based on channels. You can filter Messenger contacts, Instagram contacts, WhatsApp contacts, and so on. Besides that, you can also filter contacts based on their assigned state, meaning whether they are assigned to an admin or not. There you have it. You have just learned how to filter contacts in the inbox section in HeroBot. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next video.